As a homeowner in Washington, it's important to keep your windows in top shape to ensure both comfort and energy efficiency. The unique climate, ranging from wet, rainy winters to warm, dry summers, can take a toll on windows over time. While regular maintenance can extend the life of your windows, there comes a time when replacement is the best option. But how do you know when that time has arrived? Below is a comprehensive checklist of signs that your windows may need replacing. Recognizing these red flags early can save you money on costly repairs and improve your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacing is the presence of drafts or air leaks. If you feel a noticeable breeze or cold air near your windows, it's a clear indication that the seals around the window may have broken down. Over time, weather stripping and caulking wear out, allowing outside air to seep inside. In Washington, where winters can be cold and damp, drafts can significantly increase your heating bills. Newer windows with better insulation will help you maintain a more consistent indoor temperature, reducing your reliance on your heating system. Condensation between glass panes. If you notice condensation or moisture trapped between the panes of your double or triple glazed windows, it's a sure sign that the seals have failed. The presence of condensation means the insulating layer of air between the panes is no longer effective. This not only reduces the window's energy efficiency but can also cause long-term damage to the window frame. Windows with failed seals are no longer as effective at insulating your home. Replacing them with new, high-quality windows can restore your home's thermal efficiency and eliminate moisture buildup. Difficulty opening and closing windows. If you struggle to open or close your windows, it may be time for a replacement. Difficulty operating windows can be caused by warped frames or deteriorating hardware, which can occur over time due to exposure to the elements. In Washington's humid climate, wooden frames are particularly vulnerable to warping and swelling, making it harder for them to function properly. Windows that don't open or close easily are not only inconvenient but can also be a safety hazard in case of an emergency. Replacing them with new, properly functioning windows ensures that you can easily open and close your windows when needed. Visible damage or rot. Over time, windows can develop visible signs of damage such as cracks, chips, or rot. Wooden window frames in particular are prone to rot, especially in Washington's rainy climate. If you notice any discoloration, softness, or peeling paint on your window frames, this may indicate rot or water damage that cannot be easily repaired. While minor cracks or chips may be repaired, extensive damage or rot often signals that the window needs to be replaced entirely. Replacing damaged windows will improve both the appearance and function of your home. High energy bills. If you've noticed an increase in your energy bills without a corresponding increase in usage, your windows could be to blame. Older, inefficient windows often allow heat to escape in the winter and let heat in during the summer, causing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This leads to higher energy consumption and increased utility bills. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can dramatically lower your energy bills by improving insulation and reducing heat transfer. Energy-efficient windows are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round, making them a smart investment for Washington homeowners. Excessive noise from outside. If you live in a noisy neighborhood or near a busy street, one of the benefits of new windows is better sound insulation. Older windows, particularly single-glazed ones, are often poor at blocking out external noise. If you've noticed an increase in noise levels inside your home, it may be time to consider replacing your windows with more soundproof options. Upgrading to double-glazed or specially designed soundproof windows can reduce outside noise, making your home quieter and more peaceful. Fading curtains and furniture. If your curtains, rugs, and furniture have begun to fade, it could be a sign that your windows are no longer effectively blocking UV rays. UV radiation can damage your home's interiors and contribute to higher cooling costs during the summer. Newer windows with low-E glass coatings are designed to block harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light into your home. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient, UV-blocking models can help protect your belongings and reduce the need for air conditioning in the warmer months. Conclusion. As a homeowner in Washington, replacing your windows when necessary can enhance the comfort, energy efficiency, and security of your home. By recognizing the signs that your windows need replacing, whether it's drafts, condensation, difficulty operating, or visible damage, you can take action before the problem worsens. If you notice any of these issues, it's a good idea to consult a professional window contractor who can assess the condition of your windows and recommend the best solution. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows will not only improve your home's appearance but also save you money on energy bills in the long run, making it a smart investment for Washington homeowners.